Hey there, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about a very special accessory by Hohem that is going to up your video game for your Samsung smartphone or any other smartphone, Android or iPhone. Now the product I'm talking about is the Hohem iSteady 3-axis gimbal. As you know, a gimbal allows you to record silky smooth video footage while on the move with professional precision. It also allows you to create special effects with ease using built-in software. Now, a major feature of this gimbal is its size and weight. The whole thing collapses and easily fits in your pocket and also weighs only 259 grams, so it's lightweight and portable, making it great for travel. Now, Hohem gimbal also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery with a capacity of 2000 milliamp hours and will last you 7 to 8 hours of operation. That's a long time after a full charge. Alright, so here we have the gimbal and the phone is attached to it, as you can see. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the gimbal, so how to use it. So basically you press the power button, which is right here. You press the power button. It turns on the gimbal and automatically balances the phone. At the same time, over here you have a controller. This controller allows you to move the phone around as you please. You can go up like this. That's the tilting motion, and you can also do panning motion, which is this one right here. And that's with the controller, but you don't always need the controller based on the kind of shot that you're taking. Now, when you purchase the gimbal, it also comes with an application. You launch the application, you connect it to the gimbal, and let's see what we can do with the actual application. You have a lot of tutorial videos here, okay? Now, let me show you something really interesting. When you press the power button once, the gimbal rotates and gives the portrait orientation, all right? And again, I can use the remote controller to move the phone around. As you can see, when you press the power button one more time, it gives the landscape orientation, so you can record in any orientation you want. But just so you can see the tutorials, you have a full list of tutorials here on how to use the gimbal, all right? Which is a great thing to actually have. Alright, again, let's press the power button, go back into the landscape orientation, alright, so you can record in any orientation you want. So what you want to do is you want to tap on start recording, alright, and that's going to launch the built-in recording application. And while you're in the application, again, you can go portrait or you can go landscape. It's all going to be up to your recording format. Once you're in the gimbal, over here we have a bunch of settings. So the biggest things is, we're going to go into settings. On the top, you have the working mode. And then what you can do is you can pick between various different working modes. You have the pan and tilt follow, the pan follow, all lock, and all follow. Just to give you a quick example, if you tap on pan follow, and if you grab your gimbal, as you move the phone, as you can see, the phone pans towards the direction that you're tilting it, okay? That's how you get smooth recording motion with this gimbal. And of course, at any time, you can use the remote controller to get your shot exactly where you want it to go. Again, if I rotate this, if I go this way, it just follows that. So this way you are able to get super smooth side-to-side panning shots. And when you do pan, tilt, and follow, you can do up and down just like this. Up, it goes up slowly. And then when you go like this, follows your movements slowly, okay? So that's the things you can activate or deactivate from within the actual gimbal. Now let me go back over here, okay? I'm going to show you something really important. So over here we have the moment option. In here you have a bunch of preset amazing effects that you can use to create amazing movies. So that's the inception mode. Let's say you want to actually use it. Let's say you want to create something like this. Let's say you're at a really nice landscape and you want to create a video just like this. All you do is go to this mode, tap on start, okay? The phone starts the whole process itself. it resets, now starting the video, and it's actually recording the video, giving you that effect all by itself. It's absolutely amazing. It'll give you a 12-second built-in effect. Now, professionals use highly expensive equipment to get these things done. With this one, you can just do it by holding this in your hand. Same way, you have all these various effects. You have panoramic video effect you can perform just like that. Okay, you can do smart motion time lapse if you're a time lapse guy. Fantastic rotation. All right, you can do the dolly zoom. All these are effects that usually cost a lot of money to actually produce. Okay, there's so many options. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. All right, so those are some of the demonstrations I just want to show you guys real quick. Got the battery, you got the controller. This you can use to start or stop recording, no problem. And of course, one more thing, let me go back to the landscape, go into start recording. I have a zoom button here so I can actually zoom in and zoom out as I please. Okay, so I'm zooming in right now, and the zoom itself is extremely smooth. All right. Hohem Gimbal also has advanced face tracking tech that allows you to record yourself using the gimbal as it's tracking your face. You can see the tracking with a red square that remains on your face. You simply set the gimbal on the table, start recording, and the gimbal will move automatically wherever your face is moving. Remember, the gimbal has a built-in tripod attachment that allows it to just sit anywhere you want. And then it just tracks your face as if you had your own video assistant recording the whole thing. It's awesome. So that's the Hohem Gimbal. It's lightweight, portable, fantastic battery life, and of course an awesome video stabilizer for your smartphone to create silky smooth video and special effects like I showed you guys. The links to buy the Hohem Gimbal are going to be down below, so go check it out. The price is ridiculously low at only $69. Any questions, comments, or concerns? Drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?